Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel.
Hope you're great. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to promote Amazon affiliate products on YouTube and make about $100 to $300 per day. And you don't have to create your own videos. First of all, I'm gonna show you how to find products on Amazon. Then I'm gonna show you how you can download other people's YouTube videos without getting a copyright strike. And then I'm going to show you how to promote that Amazon affiliate product on a YouTube video so you can make commissions on Amazon Associates. And you don't have to create your own videos. So step number 1 is going to be to go to Amazon Associates Central. Here you just click on sign up, write your name, email, and then create your Amazon account. Once you've finished with the sign up process, you can pretty much sell anything on Amazon and get an affiliate commission for it. For example, if I'm gonna sell this Fast and Furious 9 DVD, and then you click on text only, click on short link. Now this is your Amazon affiliate link. If anybody goes through this link, they will end up on this really fast DVD with IMDb 5.2. Paul Walker, we miss you. If anybody clicks on your link, anything they purchase within 24 hours will also give you a commission. So that means if they buy a camera, if they buy a dishwasher, and a mini basketball hoop to slam dunk on their kids, you will also get a commission for that within the next 24 hours. Now, I bet you don't want to sell a Blu-ray DVD because you're not a boomer. And if you are a boomer, hey, maybe instead sell this item. And to come along with it, here we go with the retro boombox. Now, you might be wondering how much of a percent will you get if you sell an item like this? You can see 10% for luxury beauty, luxury stores beauty, and Amazon Explore. And then it drastically drops down to 5% for digital music, physical music, handmade, and digital videos. And then you can see here 3% for toys, furniture, home improvement, lawn and garden, and all of these different things. And you should definitely be looking at this list here to see if your category will be sustainable on YouTube. What I recommend is go high ticket items, about $200+, and then you can sell lower amount of that and you will still be able to make $100 to $300 per day. So I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to sell Amazon Associates items right now, right after you slap that subscribe button, also the like button. Don't forget to comment down below. Let's get into it. The next step is to go to kit.co. Kit is a community of creators sharing the products they swear by. For example, Peter McKinnon, one of my favorite YouTube creators. They got MKBHD here, one of the top tech reviewers on the planet. And if we click on this link here, you can see all of the stuff that he's selling. So if somebody clicks on this link here, for example, and they buy this lens for about 900 euros, and you can see here that camera and photos is under 4%. So let's take out your favorite tool, the calculator. 898 times 4%, about 36 euros, which is about $42 a sale. Now, obviously, MKBHD, he shows his face, he talks into the microphone and does very well by doing so. And also, some of you guys have been asking me, what niche can I do without talking into the microphone and also without showing my face? And one of the niches is actually cooking recipes. So take a look at this channel called Tasty. It's getting 29 million views the last 30 days. They only use music and have a top-down shot of cooking. This other channel is called The Cooking Foodie with about 8.4 million views the last 30 days. And you can see that this video here, for example, is just literally him with music going through this stuff. And I'm going to show you how to find this footage. You don't have to film it yourself. The next one is actually called Goodful with about 3.5 million views the last 30 days. And let me show you this last one, The Dinner Bite, that only started about a year ago and is probably now making a full-time living from this without ever talking into the microphone. And you can see, for example, this video right here called Air Fryer Roasted Potatoes. And what does she have down here? Oh, it's an affiliate link. And you can see that she's selling this on Amazon and will make money if anybody purchases that from her link. You can also see the Cooking Foodie with 2 million subscribers getting, 3 million views on this one, 7.5 million with this one. Nutella no bake cheesecake. Ooh. But if we go down in the description, you can see right here my favorite kitchen equipment that goes to an Amazon shop store. You have to go through a couple of different extra steps, and with kit.co you don't have to go through like the branding certification thing to get that. So for you, I believe it's easier to, you know, sell this knife right here looking dapper through kit.co instead. But you might be wondering, how do I actually find the videos to be able to make this video? For example, this air fryer roasted potatoes. Well, if you want to be higher quality, just go out there and do it yourself. Like, this is literally the easiest content you can do. Chopping some potatoes, filming it straight down, putting it into a bowl, and then putting it into an air fryer. But I definitely understand. So what you should do is go here, search for air fryer, just like that. Then you can click on filters, click on Creative Commons. You want to scroll down until you find some videos with a lot of views. So this one, for example, 500,000 views 6 months ago. They have given you permission to use this video as your own. As long as you reuse and edit and transform it a little bit, this will not get copyright strike. And here, of course, selling an air fryer in the description down below is the perfect fit that can make you a lot of money with this. What about this Creative Commons video, how to cook honey garlic ribs in the air fryer? And this one as well, perfect for the air fryer with the popcorn right here. The sky is the limit, and that is only videos that you can make about air fryer. For example, if you go down a little bit more, you can see an Instant Pot. And an Instant Pot is also a little bit more expensive as well, which is a perfect product for Amazon Associates that you could be selling and making money with. So to recap, sign up to Amazon Associates, then find the niche you want to go into. For example, MKBHD has camera gear. The one that we checked out today is tasty recipes, where they don't talk into the microphone or show their face. And then of course you can send them directly to the product you want to promote, or you can send them to a kit.co link where you have a bunch of different products, then download some Creative Commons videos, plop them into a video editing software, and then make video after video promoting either your kit.co link or Amazon Associates links, and bada bing bada boom, you're done. Obviously, you're not going to be successful overnight. This will take time, hard work, and dedication. Maybe you don't like, you know, tasty recipes and all that, but you want to do something different. Then there is 2 videos on the screen right now that has different niches than this one that might be a better fit for you. So just tap them, slap them, click them, and I'll see you over there.